Well, one week it's summer, and the next thing you know, Christmas is here. It's just like a week away. So with that said, this week we visited 3 great spots to go check out some lights. We're going to talk about that coming up. Well, as you can tell, we're only a week away from Christmas, and this past week I went and checked out 3 local spots here in Austin that were putting on some awesome light displays. Anyway, let's check those out. So one of the first spots we went to was Mozarts Coffee on Lake Austin. Now this is a cool spot. This is a place that you want to go to if you want to just sit down, with the family, enjoy some coffee and sit around and watch the light show with some great music. And on certain nights they have live piano music there. So if you're going to head to Mozart's a little early, there's a couple of restaurants that are nearby there, or maybe go after you watch the light show. But it's something you can take the whole family. The kids, they even have hot chocolate there. They have some snacks there inside of Mozart's. It's open late, and it's right there on the lake. Now, another cool spot you want to make sure you check out is the Domain. Domain's going to have a light show. It starts around 6 o'clock every night. It's free, and as you can hear back there, they have live music over here in between Dick's and Dillard's down there. Anyway, great spot. Check out some lights, do some shopping, eat, whatever you want to do. You could probably come down here in the Domain, spend all day shopping, roaming around here, checking out all the sights, and then come check out the lights and the music here in the evening. Now, one last spot you have to check out, and that's the Austin Trail of Lights. Now, this is probably the biggest light show I've ever been to. So just be prepared to do a lot of walking here when you get here, because it's huge. I mean, it goes all around Zilker Park. Now, we ended up taking the shuttle over. It was a little bit of a wait because there was a lot of people actually doing the shuttle also, so it was a little bit of wait to get on the bus, the shuttle buses, to take us over there. But once we got over there, man, we got right in line. So I think that was a bonus about taking the shuttles, because we didn't have to wait in line. We went right through. One thing that I recommend is, before you leave the park, head to the South Park next to the lighted tree, the big tree as you can see right here. Head towards there. I believe it's to the south of it. I'll put it on the map here, but go up that little hill there and look back, look at the skyline with all the lights in the foreground. Man, that's amazing. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm gonna link everything down below. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for hanging out. It's cold, I'm going in.